What's up everyone? So today we are going to focus on WinBar and WinBarNC highlights. If you don't know what WinBar is, just head on to YouTube and look for Neovim WinBar. You will see this video right here. You will also find a link to this video in the video description below, if that's easy. Alright, yeah, let's go back. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set a WinBar or some text to WinBar. Set WinBar equal to, let's say, hello world. There we go. We have the text on top of the window. Now we're going to set highlight, hi, to set highlight. The name of the group is WinBar. It has to be the exact name with the capital letters and all that stuff. Then we're going to set the GUI background. It should be BG equals to, let's head on to the color picker, and I'm going to copy this color code, paste it here. This is going to be your background for the text, and you can set the text color as well. GUI FG foreground. I'm going to set it to blue. There we go. I missed. Wait, did I copy the same thing? What happened? Okay, there we go. Now hit enter. As you can see, we have colors in our WinBar. So that's how you can set the window background and all that stuff for the current window. But right now it's being applied to all the windows because we don't have a WinBarNC color group set. That's what we are going to do. So hi WinBarNC GUI background is equal to, let's say, yellow. And I'm going to set GUI foreground to let's go with green. All right, there we go. Now all the wait, hold on. Once again, man, this color picker sucks. There we go. Now we have green here. So all the other windows, meaning except the one that's in focus, all the other windows will be highlighted using WinBarNC color group. So if I V-split, you can see the highlighted one is in red because we set red in WinBar, but all the other ones is going to be highlighted from this one right here. So that's pretty much it to WinBar, but I just want to wait, hold on, show you the Lua syntax for this. So yeah, we have Vim API and Vim set HL highlight. This is going to be, when you pass in 0, it's going to be the global well, how do you say that, namespace is going to be global, so this will be applied globally. So we have the color group here, or highlight group, WinBar. Here you don't have to use GUI, you just use BG only and FG for foreground. So you're passing in a table, and there are many more options to make them bold and stuff. Just look for Vim set HL, and there are many options you can pass into this one, into the table. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you find this useful, and if you came up with something beautiful, just share it with me. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.